welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair has traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI has receded into the positive zone. Bitcoin has fallen 4.7% in the last session. The MACD has transitioned sharply into the negative area. The price of gold has lost 0.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator has moved sharply into the negative area. The price of crude oil has added 2% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI has shifted into the overbought area.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Russia plans to cut its seaborne oil exports from its western ports to a 3-month low in February, as the country diverts crude into its local refineries to help tackle record fuel prices. The dollar climbed to a 1-week high against its rivals, as doubts over the speed and size of U.S. stimulus discouraged risk-taking ahead of this week's Federal Reserve policy meeting. Actively managed cryptocurrency hedge funds underperformed Bitcoin during the largest digital assets bull run last year.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The U.S. non-defense capital goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. Fed interest rate decision at 1900 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 700 GMT. Germany's 10-year bond auction will be released at 10:30 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 500 GMT. Japan's retail trade at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.